Annie Heche was trapped inside burning home for 45 minutes after car crash. The course. File department recording relieves dead. It took nearly an hour to locate and remove the Donnie Brasco actress's car from the burning vehicle in her deadly crash. Annie Heche was stuck inside her car for about 45 minutes as firefighters responded to her car crash at the burning house in Los Angeles on August 5. It took professionals responding to the incident about 20 minutes to get to the car and then an additional 20 minutes to remove the car from the house, according to the recordings of the fire department reported by NBC4. LAFTG chief Richard Fields explained how the fire department responded and why it took so long for the department to get to the car. Given the heavy fire and smoke condition, it was not that you could not clearly see into the vehicles or clearly be able to access it, he told the NBC affiliate. Heavy smoke conditions, heavy fire conditions, which makes the condition very difficult for us to just see other on the inside of working structure fine. About a week after the crash, Annie was declared brain dead, even though she was still on life support until August 14 as she was organ donor. A report from the Los Angeles County Medical Examiner Honor obtained by Hollywood Life found that the actress had died due to smoke inhalation and thermal injuries. A neighbor who called 911 could be heard explaining that they saw that someone is still in the car following the crash. There is somebody trapped in the car, they told the dispatcher. Since I know what you did last summer starts passing, she has been laid to rest at Hollywood Forever Cemetery, which her son Homer 20 described as serene since Annie's death. Homer has also filed paperwork to be his 13-year-old brother. For more videos and updates of Hollywood, please subscribe and watch my channel and keep pressing the icon button so that you can